Have you ever wondered how to get rich starting from nothing? It's a captivating thought, isn't it? The world is filled with stories of individuals who've built their wealth from the ground up. Wealth isn't always a legacy passed down through generations. Many self-made millionaires began their journey with little to nothing. It's not about where you start, but how you play the game. So how do they do it? Join us as we unravel the steps to wealth creation, even when starting from zero. First and foremost, it all starts with a shift in mindset. Imagine you're standing before two doors. One door leads to a room filled with gold coins, a tempting sight indeed. The other door, however, opens to a room with tools that can be used to mine gold. The wealthy, interestingly, would most likely choose the latter. Why? Because they understand that money is a tool, not an end in itself. It's a means to create more wealth, not a destination to arrive at. Now, you might be wondering, how do I adopt this mindset? Well, let's delve into that. The first step is embracing a growth mindset. It's about believing in your ability to learn, adapt, and grow. It's about understanding that your intelligence and talents can be developed. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities, not obstacles. It's about persistence in the face of setbacks. It's about understanding that effort is the path to mastery. But adopting a growth mindset isn't just about believing in yourself. It's also about seeing the bigger picture. It's about long-term planning. It's about understanding that Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your wealth be. The journey to wealth is often a marathon, not a sprint. It's about delayed gratification, resisting the temptation to spend now in order to reap greater rewards in the future. Wealthy people also understand the power of compounding, the ability of an asset to generate earnings, which are then reinvested to generate their own earnings. Think of it as a snowball effect. The more you roll the snowball, the bigger it gets. The more you invest and reinvest, the larger your wealth grows. So, let's recap. To shift your mindset towards wealth creation, you need to see money as a tool, not an end. You need to adopt a growth mindset, plan for the long term, understand the power of delayed gratification and compounding. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building sustainable wealth over time. Remember, the right mindset is the first step towards wealth creation. Next, equip yourself with financial literacy. It's the compass guiding you through the vast ocean of finance. Without it, you're like a ship lost at sea. So let's talk about some of the key concepts you need to grasp. Firstly, understanding financial terms and concepts is essential. It's the ABCs of money. You wouldn't read a book without knowing the alphabet, would you? In the same way, you can't effectively manage your finances without understanding the basic terminology. So, start with the basics such as income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Income is the money you earn, while expenses are the money you spend. Assets, on the other hand, are things that put money in your pocket. A rental property, for instance, can provide a steady stream of income. Liabilities, conversely, take money out of your pocket. Your car, for instance, is a liability as it requires regular maintenance and fuel. Once you've mastered these basics, you can delve deeper into more complex topics like investments, interest rates, and financial markets. Investments are crucial as they can help your money grow. Interest rates impact how much you earn from your investments or how much you pay on your loans. Financial markets, meanwhile, are where buyers and sellers interact to trade financial assets like stocks and bonds. Now, how do you acquire this financial literacy? There are countless resources out there, from books to online courses. Some of my personal favorites include Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. These books provide timeless insights into how money works. Online courses are another great option. Websites like Coursera and Khan Academy offer free courses on finance and investing. And don't forget the value of mentorship. Find someone who's already successful in the field you're interested in and learn from them. Remember, financial literacy isn't a destination, but a journey. It's a lifelong process of learning and growing. Don't rush it, take your time, and enjoy the process. Financial literacy is the language of money. Learn it well. Now, let's talk about creating multiple income streams. Imagine your income as a river. If you rely solely on one source, what happens if that source dries up? your river becomes a barren wasteland and you're left high and dry. But if you have multiple tributaries feeding into your river, even if one dries up, your river continues to flow. That's the power of diversifying your income sources. Think about it this way. If you're an employee, you have a salary. That's one income stream. But what if you could also generate income from a rental property? That's a second stream. What if you had investments that paid out dividends? That's a third stream. And what if you had a side hustle selling handmade crafts online? That's a fourth stream. Each of these streams might only bring in a trickle of income individually, but combined, they create a steady, reliable flow. And the beauty of this approach is that it's not just about making more money. It's about creating financial stability and resilience. The importance of diversification extends beyond just your income sources. It's also crucial for your investments. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and sectors, you can reduce risk and increase your potential returns. But let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. For now, focus on identifying potential income streams. These could be anything from a part-time job to a small business, from real estate to stocks and bonds. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. And remember, creating multiple income streams isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a solid financial foundation that can weather any storm. It's about creating a river of income that flows consistently and reliably, regardless of what's happening in the economy. So, start thinking about how you can diversify your income today. Look at your skills, your passions, your investments. Where can you create additional streams of income? How can you make your money work harder for you? Multiple income streams are the key to financial stability and growth. The next step is investing wisely. Now, this isn't just about throwing your money into any venture that promises high returns. It's about making calculated decisions based on thorough research and a deep understanding of the investment landscape. To grow your wealth, you must put your money to work. One of the most effective ways to do this is through investing. But keep in mind, not all investments are created equal. Some are riskier than others, while some may offer more stable returns. It's all about finding the right balance for your financial goals and risk tolerance. Let's take a look at some popular investment options. First, we have stocks. When you buy a company's stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. If the company does well, so does your investment. But remember, the stock market can be volatile, so it's important to do your research and diversify your portfolio. Next, we have real estate. This can be an excellent investment option, as property values tend to increase over time. Whether you're renting out properties or flipping houses, real estate can provide a steady stream of income. But just like with stocks, it's crucial to research the market and understand the risks involved. Mutual funds are another option. These are a pool of funds collected from many investors for the purpose of investing in securities like stocks, bonds, and other assets. They're managed by professional fund managers, which can take some of the pressure off of you. There are also other investment avenues like bonds, commodities, and even cryptocurrency. The key is to diversify your investments, spreading your money across different assets to reduce risk and increase potential returns. But here's a golden rule. Never invest in something you don't understand. Take the time to educate yourself. Use reliable resources, seek professional advice, and make informed decisions. After all, it's your hard-earned money on the line. Investing wisely isn't just about making the right choices. It's about being patient and consistent, understanding that wealth creation is a long-term game. It's about taking calculated risks and learning from your mistakes. Remember, every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. But with careful planning, thorough research, and a bit of patience, you can make your money work for you. Investing wisely is the secret sauce of wealth creation. Let's recap what we've covered today. We opened with an intriguing question, a challenge if you will. How can one get rich when starting with nothing? The answer, as we've discovered, lies not in luck or circumstance, but in a strategic, methodical approach. We delved into the importance of a mindset shift, the necessity of breaking free from societal norms and traditional thinking. Remember, wealth is not just about having money, it's about understanding its value, its potential, and its power. It's about developing a mindset that embraces growth, resilience, and relentless pursuit of knowledge. We then explored the significance of financial literacy. It's about comprehending the language of money, understanding how it works, and how it can work for you. The concepts of budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding the difference between assets and liabilities are crucial stepping stones on the path to wealth. Our next stop was the creation of multiple income streams. We emphasized the importance of not relying on a single source of income. Diversification is key, be it through a side hustle, passive income, or investment returns. Having multiple income streams is a critical part of the wealth creation process. Finally, we underscored the importance of investing wisely. It's not just about making money, but also about making your money work for you. Smart, informed investment decisions can be your ticket to financial freedom. Remember, wealth creation is a journey, not a destination. Start today and keep going. You've got this.